hot dog, no bacon coming in.
Eating live with Sly.
That's good, cause I'm hungry.
Hey, this your boy Sly Jones, and on this episode of Eating Live with Sly, we're in Las Vegas, Sin City, Nevada, baby. Now check it out. I hear that this place has been putting it down LA style for a long time, man. Now check it out. It's not just the food, it's the decor, it's the style, it's everything. We're at Dirt Dog.
Eating live with Sly. Eating live with Sly. Eating live with Sly. Eating live.
So I'm with General Manager Jose and Grand Ambassador Anisha. So Jose, what do we got?
Well, for example, right here we have a house dog on lobster.
Ooh.
Very good.
Lobster.
We have a patty melt on lobster. We have a dirty corn. And we have a horchata ice cream.
Horchata ice cream. Let's get it.
LA, you can get a taste. Miami, you can get a taste. Oakland, you can get a taste.
Have to rate the food, would you rate it?
I rate it at 10.5.
10.5. 1 out of what? Out of
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. I rate it 10.5. And I give it the extra half because of the customer service. It's very great.
Yeah, the customer service is dope.
Customer service makes everything. It make your meal happier, make your day happier. You come here, you get to enjoy yourself. It's a nice place where the food is different, but the atmosphere is casual.
That's what's up. That's LA style, baby.
LA style.
So, Anisha, what makes y'all different than any other hot dog place? Although I can see it, what makes y'all different?
So first of all, it's like we're LA based. It's LA street food. We're different in all different types of ways. But when you first walk into Dirt Dog, the ambiance, the decor, we hire different. We take you to a level you never experienced before.
Right. Well, I'm gonna take an experience into the dog bacon.
That's your house dog. It's your all beef hot dog wrapped in your premium bacon, topped with your onions, green and red bell peppers. You got your bacon Thousand Island sauce and a green chili spread on the bun. And like Jose said, it's your lobster bun. Less bread, more buttery, lightly salted.
Look at that.
We were just driving by and saw the sign and we had heard about it.
All right.
From our friends and stuff. So.
Oh, great.
It's delicious.
The bun is buttery. Man, a nice snap to the wiener. Not that flimsy stuff, you know what I'm saying? Nice pop. This is great. You know what? This is gonna be a challenge right here. I gotta see which one I like the best. Alright? Let's get into that next one. Patty melt bacon. There we go. It's got French fries on it? What?
Yeah. So that's your patty melt dog. Of course, you got your all beef hot dog wrapped in a premium bacon. It's topped with the bacon cheddar fries. It has a chipotle aioli on the bun and on top of the fries.
First thing I get, check it out. French fries on the bun, on the wiener. Again, the lobster roll, great. Salted nuts on the fries, crispy bacon. The bacon is crisp. I taste everything in here. The sauce is on point. We said it's aioli sauce?
Yeah, chipotle aioli. Get that little kick of that spiciness.
Yep, I got a little spicy kick at the end. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, I'm coming back to you too. All right.
Dirt Dog's dirty corn.
Look at this. Okay, all right. So explain to me what this is. Oh my God.
This is a dirty corn with toasted hard butter, all in-house. Our aioli is in-house made as well. It's a lime aioli. It has a seasoned chili powder on top, topped with bacon bits and cilantro. A little lime to give it more taste.
Here we go. Mmm. I got anything on my face? I'm
Just
good.
a little bit.
Now, I taste the sweetness of the corn. That's what's crunchy on there. Oh, that's the bacon. The bacon. It's crunchy. Oh man, it's white corn. This is street food. This is LA street food. I would have never thought I'd get this in Las Vegas. This is dope. I gotta take another bite of this before I go to the next one. Parmesan cheese?
Cotija cheese.
Cotija cheese. Yeah.
So we
that's
went
good.
all the way with our twist on Los Angeles street food.
Yeah. Hey, y'all did y'all thing with this. I'm gonna put this, cut it in half, put half on this hot dog and half on this hot dog. Oh, this dirt dog and this dirt dog. Damn. All right. Now check that out. Dessert. Now tell me, what is this?
That's the horchata ice cream with the churro.
With the churro. Now we love churros. All right. Hey, wait, is that Rice Krispies in there?
Yeah, so you got your vanilla bean ice cream, your Krispies, your almonds, and your horchata syrup. Like I said, it's topped with our homemade churro.
We gonna call this turn up. Turn up, baby. Turn up. Take the ice cream first. Cinnamon, vanilla ice cream. Got a little crunch with the peanuts and with the Rice Krispies on there. Let's get in that churro. Ice cream. You gotta have ice cream with churro. Play that so soft it just breaks apart. Not one of those crunchy churros. Well, it's crunchy, but soft enough to break, not break your teeth. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Man, you can't beat this. I don't know how I'm gonna leave here, man. I'm eating all this. I'm gonna eat this. Man, y'all did y'all thing. But before I take another, good job, bro. Way to go. Good job, girl.
Yeah.
Man, you eating live with Sly. You know I eat where you eat. It's all good.
Eating live, with Sly, eating live, with Sly, eating live, with Sly, eating live, with Sly.
Eating live with Sly.
That's good, cause I'm hungry.